Hey guys, in this video we'll take a look at Fluxx. Now if you're looking for detailed and honest review about this product because you might receive an email from other marketers about this product, then this review video will be very helpful for you guys. That way you can have an informed decision if this is something that can really help you guys out when it comes to using this system and making money online. Alright. Now the product description says Fluxx is an artificial intelligence software that uses gaming loophole to siphon free traffic and generate passive affiliate commission. Alright. Now the way this works, guys, is it's a really cool and unique way to build your list, to grow your YouTube channel, and to get Facebook likes. So it's really useful tool when it comes to growing your following. Alright. But there are a couple of problems with this application. I'm going to talk about that later in this video. But basically, the way this works is so inside of Fluxx, you should be able to create this contest or giveaway. So you can create this form right here. And people love giveaways, right? So the people or leads so gonna forced to enter their name and email right here. That way they have the chance to win this giveaway, right? And that's how you build your list. And then they are forced to you know to like your YouTube channel or like your Facebook page. That way they have the chance to enter or to win this giveaway. And that's how you grow your YouTube channel and build your list right here. And you will integrate this contact form or form right here with an autoresponder, right? Now, just like I said, there are a couple of problems with this application, and I'm gonna show you that later in this video. But first, let me show you first my bonuses. That way you can get great results with Fluxx if you guys would like to pick it up using my link down in the description of this video. My bonus number one, guys, is I'm gonna show you how I got my first sales online. Now, all these bonuses right here, guys, is came from my own knowledge and from my own experiences, and I'm just gonna share, what method that is working for me. So I'm gonna share all those knowledge right in this bonuses right here. All right. So just like I said, my bonus number one, I'm gonna show you guys how I got my first sales online. I'm gonna show you what product I promote, what traffic I use, and how I do it. All right. So that's bonus number one. My bonus number two, guys, is I'm gonna show you how I got my first $1,000 online. So I'm gonna show you exactly, and I'm gonna reveal to you guys a step-by-step process on how I make my first $1,000 online. My bonus number three, guys, is I'm gonna show you how I optimize and rank my videos for daily eyeballs. Now, I am not just creating, product reviews. I'm also creating video tutorials like, affiliate marketing, clickbank affiliate marketing tutorials on YouTube, and my videos are getting eyeballs each and every day, and I get subscribers, and clicks and signups, and most especially sales. So I'm gonna show you guys in this bonus how I rank and optimize my videos. All right. My bonus number four is I'm going to show you guys how I use Facebook to get bigger commissions. All right. So I'm going to show you exactly step-by-step process how I optimize and monetize my Facebook. That way, I get bigger commission, and you can also do the same. My bonus number five, guys, is I'm going to show you how I use TikTok and find those hidden hashtag that has billion of views. All right. So I'm going to just reveal to you guys what I'm doing on TikTok to get clicks and signups and most especially sales, right? So I'm going to show you exactly how to find these hashtags that has a billion of views, all right? My bonus number six, guys, is I'm going to show you guys my step-by-step blueprint and product that I promote on ClickBank to in order for me to make like $50 to $100 on complete autopilot per day. All right, so I'm gonna show you exactly what I am doing here, what product I promote, what traffic I use, and most especially how I do it, step-by-step guide and step-by-step blueprint, so you can copy and implement this into your online business. My bonus number seven, guys, is I'm gonna show you how I build my list completely for free. All right, so this is really important, guys, that you build your list completely for free. I'm gonna show you that in this bonus right here. Bonus number eight, guys, I'm gonna show you what software and traffic automation that I use, so you can also use this free traffic or free software or automation that I'm using right now, and you can also use this completely for free. Bonus number nine, guys, is I'm gonna give you access to a lifetime support and help. So if you need help, you can always reach me out. But if you wanted to hop in a call, we can also do that in a level one-on-one live session. I can also do that for you as well. And my bonus number 10 is all vendor bonuses. And those bonuses, guys, right here, you can access all these bonuses right here. Affiliate advantage plugin, easy page rank booster, email marketing success, Facebook ad tracking, Facebook Messenger bot, Facebook Messenger marketing, Facebook webinar, influence marketing, lead generation on demand, traffic secret, WP Cup coupon plugin, WP sales booster, WP SEO pack plugin. So you have this, bonuses from the vendor, and then I'm gonna also give you access, guys, to another, premium bonuses. All right. Bonus number one, or I'm gonna give you access to affiliate marketing A to Z. Bonus number two, guys, I'm gonna give you access to huge web traffic. So you get all these, bonuses completely for free as well. And I have this download link that you can get access as well. All right. So yeah, so those are all of my bonuses right here. There's a lot of bonuses that you can get from me, guys, when you guys choose to pick up, Flex through my link down in the description of this video. Alright, guys, so let me show you around what's inside and what you can expect when you guys purchase Fluxx. Alright, so just like I said, you'd be able to create this giveaway right here, and this is where you create that. So this one right here, when you click on new contest right here. Alright, guys, and this is where you create this, giveaway or contest giveaway right here. So this is where you name your campaign right here, you create a brand name right here, and you add in the content like an image right here, you add in the description right here, and then the headline right here, and then a call to action right here, which is join contest, which is this button right here. And then you can also require people or leads to log in using their Facebook, using their Google account, and their Twitter account. And then you can connect this with an autoresponder, but there's a problem with this. I'm going to show you that later in this video. And then this is where you add in a duration right here, this one right here, time left 1 day. You select a start date and end date right here. And then this is where you set the rewards and winners, and then terms and conditions right here, and then tracking script if you wanted to track. All right, so let me show you guys, let me take a look at the profile right here. Alright, guys, and within your profile section, this is where you set things up, right? So this is where you add your team right here. You can also invite other users within your team. Just invite them using their email address. And this is where you add the product or the brand that you wanted to give away. Now you can add any kind of products. Maybe you wanted to give away like cell phones or cash or TV, whatever product that you wanted to give away. This is where you add in the name of the product, you add in the brand, then the image or the logo of the product, and then description right here. And then just like I said, you can connect this with an autoresponder, but the problem is that you can only integrate using MailChimp. So maybe you have autoresponder like Aweber, GetResponse. You cannot do that right within Fluxx, right? This is only integrated with MailChimp. But the good thing is that you can use SMTP. If you wanted to use SMTP, you can also do that. Just put in the host, SSL TLS right here, then username and password, and then you can also integrate. You can also use Google Analytics, and Bitly right here is also integrated if you wanted to use that. And then within your email templates right here, this is where you automate the entire process. All right. So once they sign up to your form, you'd basically send this email right here automatically, and then you know the leads or the person receive this email right here. And then you can also send this points if you wanted to send points, how much points they have so far. And then contest ended, so you send this once the contest has been ended, and then you send this who's the winner of the contest. All right, this is where you automate that entire process. All right, now, and then to get traffic to this, guys, you basically share this to different kind of social media places. You can share this on Facebook or any kind of social media places. This is gonna also help you guys out. All right. Now, the only problem that I have with this application, guys, is that when it comes to flexibility, because there is a limit on what you can do with this application, especially with integration. It's really important for me, guys, when it comes to integrating application to other application, especially with email marketing software, because you might have other email marketing like GetResponse or however, and that's really important, right? Now, but overall, it's a really great tool. It's a really cool way to build your list, to grow your YouTube channel, and to get the Facebook likes. All right, so yeah, if you would like to pick it up using my link down in the description of this video, I'm gonna make sure, guys, that you guys access to all of my bonuses. Just like I said, all of my bonuses, guys, is custom crafted. This came from my own knowledge and from my own experience. But basically, I just share what is working for me in my bonuses right here. So you can also use this strategy and make a lot of money with my custom made bonuses. All right, and also you get access to those additional bonuses right here. All right, so yeah, I think that would be in this video, guys. If you have any questions about this, please let me know in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer all the questions that you have. And I'll see you guys in my next review video. Bye. Love you. Mwah.